Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a complete review of Vultr, a cloud VPS hosting platform that many developers and online entrepreneurs use for websites, apps, and server projects. In this video, I'll cover Vultr's features, pricing, performance, and what real users commonly experience, both the good and the not so good, so you can decide if it's right for your needs. Let's start with the basics. Vultr is a cloud hosting provider offering VPS servers, cloud compute, bare metal, and managed solutions across multiple global locations. One of the biggest things users love about Vultr is how fast and simple it is to deploy a server. You can launch a new instance in just minutes, select your operating system, and start working right away. Many people also mention how clean and straightforward the dashboard feels. Even if you're new to VPS hosting, the interface is easy to understand and doesn't overwhelm you with complicated menus. Pricing is another major advantage. Vultr is known for transparent, predictable pricing. Entry-level plans are very affordable, making it a popular choice for beginners, side projects, startups, and developers who don't want large upfront costs. Users often highlight how easy it is to experiment with small servers, test ideas, or run lightweight applications without spending much money. Performance is another strong point. Vultr uses SSD storage and modern CPUs, which helps deliver fast load times and smooth operation for most websites and applications. Many users report stable uptime and reliable performance for everyday workloads. Developers especially appreciate the flexibility. You can deploy Linux distributions, WordPress, Docker environments, or custom stacks. And Vultr also supports automation through APIs for more advanced setups. Security tools like firewalls, private networking, and snapshots are included, allowing you to back up your servers and restore them whenever needed. That said, Vultr isn't perfect, and it's important to talk about that. Some users mention that customer support is primarily ticket-based, which means you won't always get instant help if something urgent happens. A few people also feel the control panel could be more modern or refined compared to newer platforms. There are also cases where users experienced latency issues depending on server location, especially for projects that require very specific geographic performance. So if your business depends on ultra-low latency or hands-on support, that's something to consider. However, for most developers, freelancers, and online builders, Vultr is seen as a solid balance between cost, performance, and control. Overall, people tend to recommend Vultr for affordable VPS hosting, easy server deployment, flexible configurations, and reliable infrastructure for everyday projects. If you're building websites, launching apps, running automation, or starting online businesses, Vultr gives you full control over your hosting environment without locking you into long contracts. In the next part of this video, I'll walk you through choosing the right plan and setting up your first server step by step. And if this review helps you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone looking for affordable VPS hosting. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.